Hello YouTube and welcome to another Linux tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how you can install Apache Cassandra on Ubuntu. So are you ready? Let's get started. So as you may know, Cassandra is actually a NoSQL database for big data. So in this tutorial we're gonna first install it in our machine Linux Ubuntu. Okay, so the first thing actually is to make sure that you have Java installed. So in order to verify that, I will just type Java -version. So if it's installed, it will give me the version number, but here as you can see I don't have any version number, so Java is not installed. So in order to install it, pretty easy, always with the root privileges, and I will use apt-get install the default actually Java, which is JDK, which stands for Java Development Kit, and I will hit enter, and here my machine will actually install the Java package. So I will just answer yes here and hit enter. So as you can see here, it's installing version number 8. So we'll wait for the process to finish, then we'll verify if it's installed or not. So now as you can see, the install process has been finished. So let's try to verify if it's really installed. So I will tap Java -version. Okay, here we go. We have the version which is 1.8.0. Okay, so Java is installed. So now the next step is actually to add the Apache Cassandra repository to the Linux machine so we can install it later. Okay, so now in order to add actually the Cassandra repository, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is to add, of course always with root privileges, and you add this command here that you will find in the description. Okay, next we need to actually add the repository keys. So there is a command for that, so you'll find it, all the commands you will find them in the description. Okay, now we have added the repository for Cassandra, Apache Cassandra. Now we need to update actually our repositories, so always with the root privileges, update, okay, now after updating our packages, all we have to do is to install the Cassandra packages. So always with root apt-get install Cassandra, and here we go. Now it's reading the repositories and it prompts me for installing, so I will just answer yes, and now Cassandra is being installed. So now as you can see, the installation is complete. So now let's verify that the service actually is started. So you have just to type service Cassandra, then status, and here we go. As you can see here, the Cassandra service is active and running. Okay, so you can of course access the command line interface for this NoSQL database using the command cqlsh. And here we go. As you can see, we have Cassandra running. So if I just type help, you can see here all the commands that I can use in order to actually create our non-SQL database. Okay, so that was just a brief introduction to Cassandra database, which is used mostly for big data. As always, I hope it has been informative for you, and I want to thank you for viewing. Bye bye.